Hi friends, welcome all to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn the 10 most important general awareness questions and answers based on the topic coronavirus, that is COVID-19. Okay, how did we get the name corona or coronavirus? Coronavirus, it is a Latin word that is corona, meaning crown. It has a crown like projections on its surface, so that's why we are calling it as corona. Okay. And how did we get the name COVID-19? COVID-19 is a coronavirus disease that is detected or held in the year 2019. So CO is corona, VI is virus, and D is disease and detected in the year 2019. Okay? Yeah, we are going to the sessions. So first of all, we should know what is coronavirus. So what is coronavirus? It is a large family of viruses. Yeah, we all know it is virus, not bacteria. It is a large family of viruses. Yeah, it is a large family of viruses. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. Yeah, it belongs to the family of nidovirus. The families of nidovirus in the sense they have three families. Three families of nidovirus. That is Coronaviridae. Okay, Coronaviridae, the first one. And the second one is Artriviridae. And the third one is Roniviridae. Okay, these are the three families of nidovirus. And option C is both A and B are correct. Yeah, definitely it is correct. And A is only correct? No, because A and B both are correct. So option C is the answer. Okay, so the next question. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in, we all know, at Wuhan city, China. So Wuhan city, okay, at Hubei province. Okay, the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan city, China, at Hubei province. And the third one, which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? And here we have MERS. Yeah, it is related to coronavirus. SARS, it is related to coronavirus. And so both A and B are correct. Yeah, so option C is the answer. What is MERS? MERS, in the sense, the full form of MERS is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. Okay, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. And also these are the common diseases why we have coronavirus. Maybe common cold, the respiratory tract problems, and SARS means severe acute respiratory syndrome. Okay, respiratory syndrome. So these are the full form of MERS and SARS. So both A and B is correct. And the next question. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird. So after seeing positive results on mice, okay, after seeing positive results on mice, that is Thailand announced that it has been proceeded to test novel coronavirus vaccine on next one monkeys. Okay, on monkeys. So option A is the answer. And the vaccine uses mRNA technology, that is messenger RNA. Messenger RNA or mRNA technology. These are used to weaken the strain of the virus and also produce antigen to fight with the virus from the root itself. Okay. So the vaccine uses mRNA technology, that is messenger RNA technology, and to produce and fight against antigen, that is antigen to fight with the virus. So as they got the positive results in mice, first they got the positive results in mice, then they proceeded to test its novel coronavirus next in monkeys. So, monkey is the answer. Okay. And the next one, in a study which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity. Okay, in a study which cells found in COVID-19 patients. So it is T cells. T cells are immune barriers. These are the immune barriers to help fight against some virus. This will fight against some viruses like COVID-19 virus. Okay, like coronaviruses. But the importance is to battle SARS. Okay, the most important battling is to fight against SARS. Clear? So, in a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? It is T cell. These are called as the immune barriers and these are help in fighting against some viruses like SARS. Okay, mostly to battle against SARS. So, the next question. Name the vaccine that is jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US pharma giant Pfizer for COVID-19. So the answer is BNT 162. Okay, BNT 162. It is a group of 4 potential vaccines. It is a group of 4 potential vaccines. Okay, so BNT 162 are 4 potential vaccines, are a group of 4 potential vaccines based on mRNA concept. Okay, based on the mRNA concept, that is messenger RNA. Messenger RNA concept. So these are the group of 4 potential vaccines. And the next one, name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patients to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. So the question is, name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered coronavirus patient and to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. The answer is plasma therapy. Okay, and the answer is plasma therapy. This kind of clinical trial is been used in which blood is transfused from a patient who's recovered from COVID-19 and to a coronavirus person who is in a critical condition. Okay, which clinical trial is used? It is plasma therapy. What is it? Plasma therapy. So there are many clinical trial phases. Phase 1, they will be using with mice. If it is positive, they will be using in monkeys. And then with one person, a person that is a human being. Then with a group of persons, we have different types of clinical trials and phases. Okay. So in this, the plasma therapy clinical trial is being used to transfuse the blood from a recovered patient to the patient who is severe or in a critical condition with coronavirus. And the answer is option A, plasma therapy. So next one, how does coronavirus transmit? How does coronavirus transmit? So the option first one is when a person sneezes or coughs, droplets spread in the air or fall on the ground and nearby surfaces. So yeah, by this coronavirus will definitely transmit. If a person sneezes or cough or spread in air or fall on the ground, it will definitely transmit. Yeah, so option A is correct. We can move on to the next option, that is if another person is nearby and inhales the droplets or touches these surfaces and further touches his face or eyes or mouth, he or she can get an infection. Yeah, definitely they will get. So option B is also correct. Next one. If the distance is less than 1 meter from the infected person, yeah, definitely coronavirus will transmit. So both the three options are correct. So all the above are correct. Option D, all the above are correct. So next one, from where coronavirus got its name? So I have already told you coronavirus, this is a Latin word that is used from the word corona, meaning crown, crown like projections or hairs. So due to their crown like projections, they got their name coronavirus. So option A is correct. Okay, they have a crown like projections on their surfaces. So last one, World Health Organization, that is WHO, on 11th of February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. So what is the new disease? Sorry, what is the name of the new diseases? So COVID-19. We all know COVID-19, coronavirus. They have named a new name, right? Coronavirus, new name they have been mentioned, that is COVID-19. COVID means coronavirus disease, and 19 it is detected on that year. Okay. So coronavirus, that is COVID-19 is our answer. So it was World Health Organization on 11th of February. They announced the official name COVID-19. COVID-19. So WHO, World Health Organization, they have announced this official name at 11th of February 2020. Okay. So we have learned a lot regarding coronavirus and what is coronavirus and how it is detected, how it got its name and all, and what kind of family it is. So watch this and it is beneficial. And thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe for new videos. Thank you.